Hello, sporks. I have a quick announcement to make before the video starts. Okay, so first of all, you might want to turn your volume down because there are some loud sound effects that I added into the video. And then the second thing is that if you would like to see a second episode, I would like this episode to get to 100 likes, and then I will post another edited episode of Olivia. And I am also working on editing Barbie Thumbelina because nobody has edited that Barbie movie yet. And I think I might do that one if I get a new video editor though. And that's all. So I hope you enjoy the edit.
Tree, by planting this glass, we are helping make our planet healthier. Does anyone know why? Julian?
Trees help make oxygen, and oxygen is...
Tree?
Nope.
That is why we are planting this tree for Earth Day. We are also all going to try in ways to help Mother Nature.
What you doing? I'm helping Mother Nature by wasting.
Nice.
I'm putting the boxes for glass where we won't forget about them. Cool. Recycling. Here. Glass. No. Now it's time for Operation Help Mother Nature. How are you gonna do that?
I don't know.
Where's my paper?
Oh. Darling, is the electricity out in the whole house?
Nope.
We don't waste water. Hey. I wanted to put them where we could see them and recycle.
Olivia, honey, trying to save energy and recycle is
Stupid.
But you need to learn a word called moderation.
I already know the word moderation.
Everyone into the car. We're having dinner out tonight.
Can we walk to the restaurant instead of taking the car? It would be better for Mother Nature if we don't use all that gasoline.
Well...
Nope.
If I take my tricycle, will that use up energy? Only your own.
Just think, kids, if we were in the car right now, we wouldn't see all these beautiful stars. Oh, and look, there's Gemini, the twins.
Actually, I'm Otto. And I'm Oscar.
You know what? Walking to dinner was a
Stupid.
idea.
And we didn't waste any gas. Rule of life number 44. Sometimes children know better than their parents. But we don't ever tell them that.
Well, it's time for bed, Ian.
Don't turn off my light. I have to turn it off. You're wasting electricity. You waste things. Tonight you didn't finish your dinner. Don't turn it off. I'm afraid of the dark. I know. I'll sleep in your room with you and then you won't be scared. Okay. Mom, I'm sleeping in Ian's room tonight.
Nope.
Olivia, I don't think I can fall asleep like this. Of course you can. I don't think I can fall asleep like this. Of course you can.
I don't think I can fall asleep like this. Of course you can.
No, I can't.
Go to sleep.
Cool. Firefly.
You would not believe your eyes. You would not believe your eyes.
What's the matter now? I think there's something in the closet.
Oh, no.
It's just your clothes and toys. Well, could you close the closet door? There, all closed.
Now go to sleep.
Who wants cereal? Did you two use all your energy saving energy? Get it?
We need a new idea for tonight. You could say that again. We need a new idea for tonight. I need to think of something.
One eternity later.
Fireflies! Of course! You would not believe your eyes! You would not believe your eyes! You would not By the way, whistling is an excellent way to play music without using electricity. Only your own.
I'm very proud of you for everything you're doing to help us waste things.
I'm proud of me too.
Mwah.
Could I have one more story?
Nope.
It's time for bed now. Good night, Olivia.
You would not believe your eyes.